God, I hope we talked to the promotional lady. And I'm talking to I was just talking to the camera. We talked to the promotional lady, and she said one of these is going to be at lunchtime. But I got her card, and hopefully she'll tell us where it's going to be beforehand. So we can do this every day. Oh man, I got to put the camera down. Alright, we just left the food truck, and thankfully there's a GameStop right at the same exact place. So, here we are. Mimi, Chase.
He's one to play.
Lemon cakes and the 3DS? That's a good day. Alright guys, got in line a second time because there's so few people.
Okay, go ahead.
Alright guys, we got in line.
Tasty white dot on me.
Go this way, and you can walk, and I'll follow you.
No, alright. Just want to show the food.
They're pulling out all the stops.
I'm taking a video.
Oh, okay, video.
Cool. I actually do podcast of Ice and Fire for the series. So.
Can you give me where your podcast is so I can tell my readers to go to it?
It's podcastoficeandfire.com.
I won't remember that.
I can.
I'm doing a huge reviewer's guide to the Game of Thrones. It's going to go up on Wednesday or Thursday.
Okay.
So why don't you...
You can get him in the background too if you want.
Well, I think
I got him.
Okay. All right.
I knew they were going to call this series Game of Thrones and not so much. But your book was
I did it last night, but it was
yes. A Game of Thrones, a Clash of Kings, a Stone
But
Sword,
see,
Feast of Crows.
we're not just A. The whole series will be named. I guess that's I don't know. Making it up. It sounds right. Just like unboxing here.
Maybe there's a focus
Funny.
group didn't like the A. Hey, yes. A real, it's a hippie thing.